Hi guys, welcome back to the Algebra 2 playlist. This is lesson 3 and we're multiplying out multiple sets of brackets or 2 sets of brackets. So let's get started. Again, same setup, we're going to just revise the previous lesson. So just to start, try these for me, pause it now, and then I will do them with you. Okay. So you're just going to multiply, so 5 multiplied by 3x is 15x. And 5 multiplied by 2 is 10. And then you've got to subtract 1. So it becomes 15x adds 9. Final answer. And the next one, 6 multiplied by 4x is 24x. 6 multiplied by negative 5 is a negative 30. And then you're adding on another 2x. So the 24x can be added to the 2x. So it becomes 26x subtract 30. Okay, let's start this lesson. Okay, so instead of just one bracket, we have got 2 brackets here and they are being added together. So what does this really mean? So I'm going to try and represent it pictorially for you. So if I was to look just at this part here, the 2x plus 1, and represent that for you, it would be 1x plus another x plus a 1. So that would be the exact same as what's in that bracket there. Okay, and then remember what the 3 outside means. It means 3 multiplied by that bracket. So it means 3 lots of that bracket. So I could just clone this and clone it again. So there's 3 lots of them. Okay. I'm going to do the same with this side here. I've actually done it down here just to make life a little bit easier for me. So I'll just put all this up here beside everything else. So again, just to clarify what's happened here, the 4x plus 3, here's representing the 4x, and this part here representing the plus 3. And this is multiplied by 2, so there's 2 of them, so that's why there's 2 sets of them. Okay, I'm just going to rearrange this now so all the x's are together and all the 1's are together. So it should look like this here. And what does this give us? So if I was to add this together, 1, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, so 14x. 14x is there, and there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 1's, which means add 9. Okay, let's look at it slightly differently. Let's move on. Okay, so on the left hand side here, I'm just going to do method 1 for you. So write out again first of all. And we started the way we have been multiplying out single brackets. So this 3 here is multiplying by this bracket only. So that 3 multiplies by that bracket only. And then this 2 multiplies by this bracket only. Okay. Oops, sorry, I just cleared that. Let me just write it out again. Okay. 3 multiplied by 2x is 6x. 3 multiplied by 1 is a positive 3. And then 2 multiplied by 4x. So you just go on and you multiply that second bracket. 2 multiplied by 4x is 8x, a positive 8x. So it's going to be add 8x. And 2 multiplied by 3 is a positive 6, or add 6. And then you're just going to simplify that. So 6x add 8x is 14x. And then 6 add 3 is 9. Adds 9. Okay, you could do the box method as well, but you just have to do 2 lots of the box method. So just do a little box here and do the first one first. So 2x up here and positive 1, and I'm multiplying by 3. So 3 times 2x is 6x. 3 multiplied by positive 1 is a positive 3. And then just repeat that box method over here for this second part. This part here. I'll do it in the second box here. So 4x up here, and a positive 3, and I'm multiplying by 2. So 2 multiplied by 4x is 8x, and 2 multiplied by 3 is a positive 6. And then you can almost write all of it out if you wished, all of your answers from your box method, and then again just to simplify, and it will give you the same answer as the left hand side. Okay, let's move on. Okay, my turn, your turn. So left hand side, let's go. So 4 multiplied by 3x is 12x. 4 multiplied by 4 is 16, goes to 16. 2 multiplied by 4x is 8x, and 2 multiplied by 5 as a positive 10, and then just simplify. So it becomes 20x, add 26. Okay, next one. 4 multiplied by 3x. Guys, I've just realised I have not changed these and they're all the same question. What have I done? Hold on a wee second, let me pause this. Sorry guys, they are not the same questions. I thought I had written out the same question. I've changed something very slightly in each one of them just to show you what happens. Sorry about that, so let's get started. So 4 multiplied with 3x is 12x. 4 multiplied by 4 is positive 16. 2 multiplied by 4x is here, and 2 multiplied by negative 5. That's where I've changed it there. There's a negative in this one. So 2 multiplied by negative 5 is a negative 10. Okay, so your answer altogether is 20x, add 6. Remember, I told you this previously, that this negative here is attached to that 10. So when you are simplifying terms, you've got a positive 16 and you're subtracting a 10 from it. Okay, next one. So 4 times 3x, I'm just going to run through this quickly because it's very similar answers. Now here, this is what I've changed here. There's a negative here, so just be very careful with that negative outside the second bracket. That negative 2 is multiplying by 4x to give you negative 8x, and your negative 2 is multiplying by your negative 5 to give you a positive 10. Okay, and your final answer would be 4x, add 26. Okay, my class, pause now. I'm not going to do the right hand side. It's your turn for homework. If you're not in my class, you can discuss it with your teacher. I'm going to clear now and move on, so please pause now. Okay, similarly, I'm going to do my side. I'm just going to do these quite quickly. I'm going to just not speak, I'm just going to do them. Okay guys, I know I didn't speak through that, it's a little bit of silent teaching, so I hope you followed my examples there. Pause it now, keep my examples up on the left hand side, and do your turn now for homework. Okay, pause it now, I'm going to move on. Okay guys, this is the exit question again. Just pause it now, read it to yourself, and send me a wee message my class with your answers. Okay, thank you very much for watching. Take care guys, bye now.